Welcome to BreathWork, a training inspired by ancient pranayama and modern-day breathwork. My name is Travis Elliott, yoga and meditation teacher and author. Research in breathwork has been shown to increase energy, elevate mood, decrease stress and anxiety, improve overall health and performance, and much, much more. This comprehensive training is for students who wish to deepen their breathwork practice and for instructors who want to teach breathwork in a safe and effective way. This training includes compelling lectures, transformative breathwork practices, a digital manual packed with information and knowledge, and a certificate of completion authorized by Inner Dimension Academy. This training is self-paced, so you can move through it at your own leisure, all from the comfort of your own home. I'm excited to get started, excited to learn, to grow, and to breathe together. So with no further ado, let's begin.